Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be fine. Now today I am going to deliver the lecture number 10 of English for class nursery, and the topic of the lecture is revision A to H. For this, today I will write these 8 letters on a line pattern one by one in front of you. Okay, so let's take the start. Yes, here you can see a line pattern. Okay, first I will tell you about it. First is top line, second is middle line, third is base line, and the last fourth one is lower line. Okay, now today I will write these 8 letters on this line pattern, okay, with their sounds. So, first of all, I will write the first letter in alphabets. Okay. Now, which is the first letter in alphabets? Yes, letter A. Okay. Now for letter A, I will take start from the middle line. First, I will make an anti-clockwise half circle, touch the base line. Now go up, make a straight line. Now come down like this and touch the base line again, and here I will make a little tail with it. Okay, this is small a and it should be in 2 lines. Okay, middle and base. And the sound of this letter is A. A, A. It has a long sound. Okay, now next I will write the second letter in alphabets. Okay, now what comes after letter A? Letter B. Okay, how we will write letter B on a line pattern? First, you will make a straight line. Yes, from top to base. Okay, and now you will go up like this, and now here I will make a clockwise half circle with it. Yes, this is letter B, this is small b. Okay, and the sound of this letter is B, B, B. It should be in upper 3 lines, top, middle and base. Okay, now what comes after letter B? Yes, now I will write the third letter in alphabets. So, letter in alphabets. So, next is letter C. Okay, for letter C, I will take start from the middle line and make an anti-clockwise half circle and touch the base line. Yes, this is small c. And the sound of this letter is K, C, K, C, K. Okay, and it should be in 2 lines. Okay. Now next, what comes after letter C? Yes, letter D, fourth letter in alphabets is D. Okay, for letter D, I will take start from the middle line. First, I will make an anti-clockwise half circle. Now, go up. Yes, touch the top line. Now, come down and touch the base line, and here I will make a little tail with it. Yes, this is small d, and the sound of this letter is D, 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 D. Yes, and it should be in upper 3 lines. Okay. Now next letter. Yes. Now, which is the 5th letter in alphabets? What comes after letter D? Yes, here I will write letter E. Okay, for letter E, I will take start from middle of these 2 lines, middle and base. Okay, like this. First, I will make a slant line like this, touch the middle line, and here I will make an anti-clockwise half circle like this and touch the base line. This is letter E. This is small e, and the sound of this letter is E, A, E, A. Okay, and it should be in 2 lines, middle and base. Okay, now sixth letter in alphabets. What comes after letter E? Yes, F. Yes, F. Okay, I will write letter F on this line pattern. Okay, here. First, I will make a little curve with top line like this, and now come down. Yes, make a straight line like this and touch the lower line. Yes, here you will make a little tail or a small loop like this. Yes, and now I will put a slipping line on. Yes, here you will make a little tail or a small loop like this. Yes, and now I will put a slipping line on the middle line. Yes, this is small f, and the sound of this letter is F, F, F. It should be in 4 lines. Okay, top to lower. Okay, now what comes after letter F? Yes, now the 7th letter in alphabets. Very good. Yes, letter G. Okay, now for small g, I will take start from middle line. First, I will make an anti-clockwise half circle. Now go up, make a straight line, touch the middle line. Now come down like this and touch the lower line. And here, yes, you will make a little tail or a little loop. Yes, this is small g. This is small g, and it should be lower 3 lines. And the sound of this letter is G, 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 G. Okay, now what comes after letter G? Yes, which is the 8th letter in alphabets? Yes, H. Yes, now I will write letter H. Yes, for this letter, I will take start from the top line. Now first, I will make a straight line like this and touch the base line. Now go up. Yes, like this. And here, I will make a little curve like this. And now come down and make a straight line and touch the base line. And here, I will make a little tail with it. Yes, this is small h, and the sound of this letter is H, 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 and it should be in upper 3 lines. Okay, now I have written these 8 letters in front of you on a line pattern. Yes, these are lower cases. These are lower cases. Yes, these are small letters in alphabets. These are small letters in alphabets. Okay, now get ready for an activity. Yes, find out the pictures of given letters. Okay, are you ready for an activity? Good. I hope you will enjoy this activity. Okay. Wow. Yes, here you can see an aquarium. Wow. Yes. And small letters for alphabets are written inside this aquarium. Wow, great. And you can see some water bubbles inside this aquarium. Yes. Okay, now for this activity, yes, one by one, we will read the letters and find out the given pictures for the given letters. Okay, now, yes, which is the first letter in alphabets? Yes. Yes, here is letter A. Yes, this is letter A. This is small a. We are talking about the lower cases. Okay. Yes. Now A. Yes, which is the first letter. Okay. And the sound of this letter is A. A. Okay. What begins with this letter? Yes. Okay. A. Yes, apple. Very nice. Apple. Okay. Apple. Okay. Now what comes after letter A? Yes, B is here. Yes, letter B. And the sound of this letter is B, B. Okay. Okay, let's see what begins with this letter. Yes. Yes, I have a ball for you. I have a ball for B, ball. B, ball. Okay, what comes after letter B? Yes, where is letter C? Yes, I have found this. Yes, letter C. Okay. Yes, this is the third letter in alphabets. It comes after letter B. Okay, now the sound of this letter is K, C, K, C, K. Okay, now what begins with this letter? Yes, I will open this water bubble. Yes, seek candle. Candle. Okay, seek candle. Okay, now what comes after letter C? Yes. Here is letter D. Okay, this is the fourth letter in alphabets and it comes after letter C. Okay, and the sound of this letter is, yes, excellent. D. Okay, now find out the picture for this letter. Okay, what begins with this letter? D. Wow, door. D, door. D, door. Okay, now what comes after letter D? Yes. Yes, letter E. Letter E. And the sound of this letter is E. It has a short sound. Okay, now, yes, find out the picture for this letter. E, egg. Great. E, egg. Egg. Here you can see an egg. Okay. E, egg. Okay. What comes after letter E? Yes. Here I have letter F. Okay. It comes after letter E and the sound of this letter is F. Fish. Great. Okay. Now, yes, F. Flag. This is a Pakistani flag. This is our national flag. F. Flag. Great. Okay. Now, what comes after letter F? Yes, here I have letter G. Okay, in front of you. Okay, now the sound of this letter is G. G. Okay, now, yes, what begins with this letter? Wow, G. Glass. G. Glass. Excellent. Okay, yes. Yes, one letter is left here. I think so. Yes, what comes after letter G? H. Okay. Yes, this is the 8th letter in alphabets and the sound of this letter is H. H. It comes after letter G. Okay, now here. Yes. What is this? Yes. H. House. H. House. H. House. Okay. Yes. Did you enjoy this activity? Great. Very good. Okay. Today you will do these 8 letters on your notebooks. I hope you have enjoyed a lot. Inshallah, we will meet again with the next lecture on tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Thank you very much.